What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today we're going to do a little test drive in a 1966 Mustang Convertible. This one here is a 289 up under the hood. We'll go ahead and pop the hood up here. We're going to take her down the road, see how she runs and drives. Any kind of issues that I find, I will let you know. That's what we do up here at Maple Motors. That way you know exactly what kind of car you're coming to get before you even come down here. We will not hide any flaws. You can check us out, maplemotors.com. We got finance options. Also got shipping information. I can ship these cars all over the country. This should be pretty fun. This one is a 3-speed. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Try to post videos every single day. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Take a look around the car before we take off. At the beginning of the video, I always put this little poll. Do you think the horn works? Check that out. Let's start it up here. It's showing 82,000 miles on the dash on this one. Engine temp gauge is working. It came up. Oil pressure gauge came up as well as the gas gauge. So we should be good to go there. Windshield wipers work. Radio. It does work. I didn't click that button over in the walk around video and I didn't think it worked, but it does, and it has an aux cord so you can play your favorite music. Are missing your ashtray here. Blower motor's blowing some pretty decent air on my leg right now. It's not hot, which is good, so I'm gonna leave it on because it's very hot out here today. I think we're reaching the hottest day of the year in Tennessee, and the humidity sucks. So let's get driving down the road and get some of this wind blowing through our hair. Get you set up here. All right, do you think the horn works? It does work. Like I said, anything that I see I will point out. I'm gonna start out with putting my seatbelt on. I'm gonna take off down the road here. This is a 3-speed, so first should be down. Second should be up. Third's back the other way. Man, it lets off easy. I don't even think I gave it gas. It's very easy to drive. That's without me giving it gas. It just takes off. So that's how easy this car is to shift. I've always said Mustangs are the best car to learn on when driving a manual. Steering's nice and sensitive. As soon as I turn, it turns. Motor's very quiet in this one, so is the exhaust. The suspension feels very smooth. A little bit of a bump in the road coming up here we'll hit. And then on the way back through the second half of the video, that bump right there. There's another one that's about 3 times that size. And I kind of use those as a suspension test. Wait to get on the brakes real hard. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. Watching my mirrors here. Come on down back into first. Take off. Running and driving this car is pretty good. It's nice and smooth. Now we're getting on the brakes, and they're nice and sensitive. They feel good, so. I'm gonna pull off in this parking lot here, get some outside shots driving by, let you see what the car looks like from the outside and the aerial views. And we'll head on back to the lot and continue this test drive. All right, so I noticed on this one, the idle is up a bit high. So it's gonna need to be turned down, which I'll do when I get back to the lot. It's just a matter of a simple screw here. I'm trying to get y'all adjusted. All right, the emergency brake is working on this one. We're gonna go ahead and head back to the lot. That's probably why it was taken off so easy when we left, because the idle was already up enough to where we can just take off without having to give it gas. The temperature is not high on this car, a little bit higher than normal, probably because the idle's so high, and it is very hot. So got to take the outside temperature in consideration too. Oh, I let out on the clutch too fast there. Sorry about that. Our speedometer is coming up and it seems to be pretty correct. It's showing 40 miles an hour. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise with the top being down. I tell you what, I'm sure enjoying the wind right now. I'm gonna turn on this road right here. Halfway up this road, there's a big old speed bump. I'm gonna hit it at a moderate speed. It's right here. Cruising. Go head on back up into the lot right now, and I got another convertible that I'm gonna pull out and we will take off down the road in it. It's holding up traffic looking at the car. All right. I'm gonna park this one out front since the top's down. Be a good spot for it. Good deal. I do appreciate you riding along with me in this car. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for additional pictures, finance options, and transportation options. We're gonna be getting to some other cars today. Got this 64.5, 65 Mustang sitting here. It's gonna be our next test drive. Be looking for it. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. Hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.